Choosing the best camp bed or foldable guest bed for you is important. With a good night's sleep, you will be ready to enjoy the outdoors the following morning. A folding camp bed raises the sleeper away from the cold, hard ground, giving comfort and warmth, and keeping away from creepy crawlies, and is a great option in a larger tent with adequate headroom. Folding beds are easy to assemble and to pack away neatly for storage. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you part 2 of our metal frame foldable bed design ideas video for your inspiration. You can use these designs to try to make your own foldable beds at home. Watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you haven't watched the part 1 video, please do so by using the links in the video description and on the screen. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Your subscription means a lot to us and encourages us to create more content. Therefore, please subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Guest beds are ideal if you need an occasional bed for visitors and have limited space. The compact design of a folding guest bed means that they can be stored away with ease when not in use, along with options featuring casters for ease of movement between rooms. Ensure that your guests have a comfortable night's sleep with pocket-sprung memory foam guest beds with single or double fold-up bed options to suit your requirements. It is believed that the King Tut, who reigned in Egypt from approximately 1332 to 1323 BC, may have had the first camping bed. When Tutankhamun's tomb was opened in 1922, a room full of furniture was found to contain a 3-section camping bed that folded up into a Z shape. Though the frail young king, who had a club foot, may never have taken part in long-distance expeditions, the elaborate folding bed suggests he had an interest in camping and hunting. The New York Historical Society owns a camp bed thought to have been used by General George Washington during the American Revolutionary War, including during the hard winter at Valley Forge. It is made in 3 sections, with each section consisting of a wood frame stretched with canvas, supported by an X-shaped wooden base with iron mounts. According to the donor, Washington gave the camp bed to his recording secretary, Richard Varick, at the close of the war. It was passed down through the Varick's descendants until being donated to the Historical Society in 1871. Napoleon Bonaparte and his ranking officers used camp bed with a frame of gilt copper. The bed's 6 legs had wheels and its vertical poles could support a canopy. A striped wheel was attached to the frame by means of hooks in the copper frame. Napoleon died in such a camp bed on 5th of May 1821 on the island of St. Helena. A foldable bed can be transported, set up and dismantled by a single person, and which affords a high degree of sleeping comfort without any limitations. Commonly, the folding is achieved due to the fact that those frame elements have swingable casters along one of the longitudinal sides of the bed frame, whereupon the bed frame can be moved during folding and transport. Most folding beds are of an extremely simple construction and can be easily set up and folded by a single person. In its folded state, the bed has a compact size so that it is easily transportable and does not require much storage space. At least one element be free and the other element can be capable to stand on the floor surface with its end opposite to the hinge. An unfolding during transport is avoided by providing a latch on the ends of the elements, becoming interconnectable. In order to keep the storage space as small as possible without having to lower the bed too much, the elements can have legs in a staggered arrangement so that when folded, the legs of one element come to lie next to the legs of the other element. This way, the legs dip into the free space available at the underside of the bed frame when the latter is folded. This way, no additional storage space is needed for the protruding part of the legs. In the folded state, the bed can be carried. Hereby, the undersides of the two frame parts are lying on top of each other, whereby at the same time they form a carrying container for objects. This way, the mattress elements can be then simply transported and stored together with the bed frame by remaining lodged in the receiving recesses of the bed frame and being secured there. If the mattress elements are not connected to the bed frame, they can be secured to the bed frame during transport by straps. In order to be able to carry the bed if necessary, a carrying handle could be provided on the hinge side and on the opposite side of one or both elements. Every home has a space for a folding bed. The compact design when folded means it can be stored just about anywhere. This lightweight and portable bed is the perfect solution for unexpected guests and regular sleepovers. Most mattresses work in harmony with the sprung-based system found on some models of folding beds to support the entire body for a well-balanced and comfortable night's sleep. If applicable, the spring bases are suspended using high-tension springs and are specially engineered to be stretch-resistant and offer durability. Features of modern folding beds include the following. Number 1. Sturdy construction, high-quality bed frame. Modern folding guest beds are equipped with high-quality steel frame and a spring-supported deck that absorbs impact. It provides optimal relief as it carries no bouncing feeling. Number 2. Soft and comfortable mattress. The best thing you can do for your guests is to make them feel like they are home. So, if you are caught in a situation where you need to accommodate one, good quality comfortable foam mattress is the perfect solution. Go for those which are extremely soft, luxurious and comfortable to give you or your pals the best sleep experience. Number 3. Quick assembly and hassle-free storage. Modern folding beds adopt innovative structures and require almost no effort to assemble. Whenever you need to use them, simply pull them out and get them ready for your children or guests. Some models feature rolling wheels that allow you to easily transport the blade and store them anywhere hassle-free. Number 4. Locking wheels for superior safety. Special locking functions on modern folding beds come very handy to keep it secured in place while in use. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting foldable bed design ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your projects from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.